Hello everyone, project for today and cover. So una, gagawa tayo ng sketch, right? So ito yung quick surface reverse engineering. So sketch, so ito na yung object, ito na yung design, cover. Then pagkatapos, slicing. So kailangan nating i-slice. So na-slice ko na to. Tingnan natin yung parts. Right. So purpose ng pag-i-slice, just ensure the accuracy and to make the parts effective and functional, and also to reduce cost. So dito lahat ina-adjust yung parameters. Okay. Tingnan natin sa x-ray kung okay yung contact. Okay. So, all parameters set. Then this is the size and printing time 1 hour and 37 minutes. So this is the amount. Try to check the structure. Okay, rectangle skits. Skits is fine. Right. So save. Then print. Okay. Ito na yung pyesa. One piece, price 1 hour and 37 minutes. Fitting time. Okay, materials goes. Then export. Generating. Then 100%. We have now a file. Okay. Alright, close. And there we go. Once more. Confirm. So nagre-reading muna. And alright, so there we go. So ito yung pyesa na sinisit natin. Ito yung okay, nag-print na guys. So ito yung 3D high-end 3D printer from Markforged. Yan, hindi mo nag-print na siya. Alright. Okay, take a look guys. Alright. Want to say it on top? Use the top view. Okay. Ito na mabuyang, ganito yung magiging resulta niya. Okay guys, look at the surface. Material use, Onyx. Thank you for watching.